Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Smash. First, let's go over the game's objective and what you'll find inside the box. Color Smash is a fast-paced game for 2 to 4 players, designed for ages 6 and up. The goal is simple: be the quickest to react and collect 10 color cards to win. We'll cover everything from setup to victory in just a few minutes. Setting up Color Smash is super easy. First, give each player 5 color cards, ensuring everyone has the same set of colors. Next, place the large, colorful Smash mat in the middle of your table, accessible to all players. Finally, shuffle the remaining deck of color cards thoroughly and place it face down next to the mat. You are now ready for the action to begin. Now for the fun part, taking your turn. One player, designated as the dealer for the round, flips over the top card from the main deck, revealing its color. All players then race to be the first to smash their hand down on the matching color section of the central Smash mat. The player who successfully smashes the correct color first claims the revealed card as their prize for that round. The game continues with players taking turns revealing cards and smashing the mat. You'll keep playing rounds until one player successfully collects a total of 10 color cards. That player is immediately declared the winner of Color Smash. It's a game of quick reflexes and keen observation, perfect for lively gatherings. Get ready for lots of laughs and competitive smashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.